Today, I've got a tip for you that will keep you on track for your next trip. Welcome to RV America's 1 Minute Tip. Have you ever been out on the road and where's so-and-so? And you cannot find it. In fact, you didn't even bring it in the RV. We did the same thing. Last spring, we went out on a trip and we got our bike helmet, a cat tent. In fact, had to get someone to ship these to us, and it cost about $100 just to ship these 3 items to get it to us in time.
You don't want me on my bike without my helmet?
No. People know how clumsy you are. She's got to have her helmet. And y'all know how I like my list. In fact, I'll post the video down below on list. So what we want to tell you about is that if you use Google Keep, you can add things on the go. You're in the RV, you need to add something to cook with, just sit there and add it. So there, it's on your list next time you need it. The great thing about Google Keep is that you can push one button, it clears all the checks off, so it's ready for your next trip. The second thing I want to tell you about is we have a space in the house that we use. Y'all know we're usually home 2, 3, 4 weeks at a time. And we have a space in the house where we put items that we know we're going to need, that we know on the list. This saves you time and saves you stress. Because most people wait till the last day to start trying to round things up. And that's when you're going to forget something. So use that list and find your space.
Until next time, God bless and safe travel.
And go RV America.